Time Safari Inc., the one place where you can time travel and shoot the dinosaurs. Hello, my name is Neil Down. Tomorrow, our cameras will follow Eccles. We wish our cameramen a good safe trip tomorrow morning. Now sports with an assassin.
Will I come back alive, sir?
Probably not, but if you follow my rules, you will.
Like what?
I'll tell you what and when and where to shoot. If you don't follow those rules, there'll be a strict $100,000 fine.
Wow, this place is huge. But it sounds like there's a bonfire burning up all the time in existence. Unbelievable. I can't believe it's a real one. Man, I'm so glad Keith won the election last night.
Yes. If the other dude got in, we would be in the worst kind of dictatorship. But anyways, all you have to do is to worry about...
Yeah, I know. Shooting the dino. I get it. Let's go already.
Dude, you don't realize this. It's not going to be a walk in a park. To be shooting some of them squirrels, or however the Americans call them. They are the biggest monsters you've ever seen in life. And if anything happens to you, we're not responsible.
Are you trying to scare me? Because it's not working.
Actually, I am. We don't want people who panic out in the field. 6 leaders and 12 tourists died last year on trips. We're giving you the biggest opportunity for a lifetime. Good luck, Eccles and Mr. Travis.
Yeah, I can't believe this is really happening.
Yes, it's actually a really good thrill, if you ask me. I've been on this trip about 12, 13 times. Well, this is where it all happens. Are you ready for this? Alright, are you sure? 3, 2, 1. Look at it go.
Day. Night. Months. Years. Decades. 2055. 2019. 1999. 1957.
Sit down, sit down. We need to put on our oxygen masks here. Alright? We don't want to be dying out here.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Ready to get out? Nuz, are you prepared to see what the jungle looks like 600 million years in the past? That there is the jungle. 6,255,000 years in the past. Before President Keith. Before the pyramids. All the bad guys, including Hitler, are not even here yet.
Maybe I could be one of them.
Don't ever joke like that.
I wasn't joking.
Oh. Well, anyways, see that path right over there? You can't step off that.
Why?
Because you'll mess up the ecosystem if you step on a plant or something. Yeah, bad things will just happen.
So what, they're dead?
I'll tell you why. For every mouse that you step on, a fox dies. For every fox that dies, a lion starves. And for each one of them lion starves, a caveman, many millions of future years later, starves and dies. Upon each of the billions of descendants after that will also die. So that means Europe could never be found. It could still be full of trees. Asia could be still just the Himalayas. North America could still never, ever be found yet. And the whole world could think it's flat. Who knows what could be coming on? But whatever you do, stay on the path. Whatever you do, stay on.
Fine, whatever, Mr. Travis. Say, how do you know which ones to shoot?
Well, we came back here a while ago, and we studied the dinosaurs, found out how they died, where they died, and we just marked them with red paint and so on.
When do we start hunting?
I'm a mark. We're gonna start hunting.
Come on, where's my dinosaur, huh?
Hey, just
Right
hold on,
dinosaur.
hold on. Hold on your patience. No, quit playing with your rifle. Quit playing. Knock it off. Knock it off.
Sorry, man.
You wanna die? Out here, 6 million years in the past? Get back to the dump. I'll give you one more chance. One more chance. Now you better quit playing with your rifle. One more chance.
Okay.
Can you behave yourself?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let's get back hunting. Pull some dinosaurs. Pull some dinosaurs.
Where's some dinosaurs? Where's my dinosaur?
Hold on a minute. Just wait. We'll be coming in around 60 seconds or so.
I'm
Maybe
shaking
two.
like a little kid. There it is.
Alright, take the shot.
Why didn't you tell me
Tell you what?
that it's as tall as the moon? We are fool for doing this. I'm out of here.
Hey, that's not the right way for the path. Go the other way. Go the other way. Hey, do you want a trophy picture?
Nah, man, I'm cool.
Well, we can't take the trophy. We can't take the trophy back, because it needs to go through its natural phase, so the insects and birds can get it. Say, what are all these footprints on the ground?
Dude, I'm sorry. Dude, I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You know what you did. I'm not gonna repay you.
I'm sorry. I'll pay for anything.
No, you're not. No.
I did nothing.
Yeah, right. Now just calm down. Just wait. You've messed up the entire future. There's nothing to do about it now. No, we should just mess up all this stuff over here too. See, just mess that up. John.
Welcome back, Eccles.
Something is different, I can tell. Time Safari. Safaris to any year and day past. You name the animal, we take you there. You shoot it. Oh no, not this. It couldn't be this. Wait, who won the election yesterday?
Do you really want to know?
Yes.
Joe Cheer won yesterday. Keith never had a chance. At least we got a man with guts and glory.
There's got to be a way. You start over.
Oh, we're on. Oh, sorry. Howdy, people of Time Safari Inc. My name is Ann Assassin. Now you know how to shoot them animals, how to kill them. Stop by and have a chance of a lifetime. Thank ye, and good night, Back Levistan. America.